be fired dead if any is discovered dropping the Nigerian flag, Police Commissioner warned. Ebonyi State Commissioner of Police Aliyu Garba has said that IPOB will be dealt with severely if any of them is caught constituting nuisance in October 1st. The Ebonyi State Police Command has threatened to deal with any group that foments trouble in the state on October 1st, 2021. Nigerians celebrate its Independence Day annually on October 1st. Ahead of this year's celebration to mark Nigerian proclamation of independence from British rule on October 1st, 1960, the Nigerian people are expected to fall out and celebrate the day. The indigenous people of Biafra, in a statement by its media and publicity secretary on Saturday, issued a sit-at-home order in the 5 southeast states. The secessionist group also banned the flying of the Nigerian flags in the region on that day. He said, IPOB has declared October 1st, 2021 total shutdown in Biafran land as a sign of our rejection of the evil construct called Nigeria, and there shall be no movement in Biafran land on this day. Also, IPOB has declared from September 25th, 2021 that all Nigerian flags mounted anywhere in Biafran land must be brought down, banks exceptional. IPOB leadership will communicate to banks directly and give them the reasons they must peacefully bring down the Nigerian flags on their banks' premises before we do it ourselves in our own way. But the State Commissioner of Police Aliyu Garba, in a telephone interview with one of our correspondents in Abakaliki on Saturday night, said operatives of the command will not fold their hands and watch a group of persons unleash illegalities in the state. He said they portrays illegalities and we will not allow it. It is not the norm in our country and it's unconstitutional. Our job is to maintain law and order, so we will not take it lightly with anybody or group of persons who try to disrupt the peace of the state. We will deal with such a person or group of persons. According to the police spokesperson in the state TSP Lovett order, the commissioner had rolled down an operational order to men of the command to prevent crimes or illegality in the state during after the Independence Day celebration. He said, "We have been briefed and we are ready to contain every illegal act of any group of persons. Come October 1st, we have already been given operational order to this effect by the Commissioner of Police, and we will not tolerate any act capable of causing a breach of the peace. On October 1st, we will prevent any group from removing the Nigerian flag in the state." My viewers, let me ask this question. Does Nigerian government, does Nigeria as a country deserve independence? Does Nigeria really deserves independence? I don't think we deserve independence. We don't deserve independence. Nigeria doesn't deserve independence at all. At all. Nigerian at 60, yet we are still facing crisis. Nigerian at 60, yet terrorism has taken control of this country. Nigerian at 60, yet kidnapping is still flowing like water. Nigerian at 60 and the economy is experiencing crisis. We are in recession. Nigerian at 60 and Nigerians are still crying for hunger. No job, no food, no clothes to wear, no home, no place to call a home. And you say that Nigerian is celebrating independence. What beside independence? As far as I'm concerned, they don't deserve any independence. It's just like Nigerians should be taken over. I don't mind. We don't deserve independence. That is why the Biafrans say, this country, we are tired, let us go. And see how to work out things for ourselves and help our people. And help our people. We don't want to join in this mess. We don't want to join in this disgrace. Okay, as if that is not enough. They still even went on to apply marginalization. You cannot believe that till this very moment, the Igbos have not been given opportunity to rule. Yes, it will be surprised by saying that, why is this guy supporting the Igbos when he's not an Igbo? Yes, of course. See, only someone with his right senses that hates injustice will support the truth. I am always by the side of the truth, and I will always be by the side of the truth. Biafrans deserve their freedom. And if they are going, I'm going with them. Yes. I was opportune to watch a video concerning the Asaba massacre. Oh my God. Oh, I cried. Watching the Asaba massacre during the war filled my eyes with tears. Then from that very moment, I turned my back from the Nigerian government. This government, if you know what this government did to the Igbos and the Deltans, this is the reason why I am advising the Deltans to join the Biafrans in this struggle, to join them and leave this country. They are only interested in your resources. It is your resources they are using in enriching themselves. So it is your resources they are using in enriching themselves. Do you understand? If you don't hasten up, they will suck you dry. I'm telling you, your resources is what they use in enriching yourself. Don't you know reason why God Almighty said that this oil will be coming from your own state? You don't know? God have already seen it, and that is why He gave you that oil. Do you understand? God have seen everything. So if you're a fool and you don't know and that doesn't know what He's doing, keep supporting them. Keep supporting them. Anything you see, you take. I will never be a part of evil, and I will never be. It is evil. It is evil. Ebonyi State government is pushing up for this, pushing up and saying that this sit at home should not be tolerated. Because why? Because the governor of Ebonyi is also a right-hand man to President Muhammadu Buhari. All these people are the evils. All these people are followers of Buhari, following Buhari like a cow. They are only in that office for themselves and not for anybody. If you think that they are there for you, you are wasting your fucking time. You're wasting your fucking time. They will never be there for you. They will never be there for you. Look at what is happening. Can't you see that they are taking their children to school out of this country? If Nigeria is good, why are they taking their children out of this country? Why? Because they know that Nigeria is not good. Nigeria is not good. Yes, let me tell you the truth. If you have your way out of this country, you better do. You better do. You better do. Because nothing good. Look at, we are number 3 in terrorism. In the whole world, they're number 1 in Africa. Is that not a disgrace? Is that not? Come on. It is. So let us help our situation. Let us help our situation. Let's say no to those people. Let us say no to them because they are only after themselves and nothing more. They are not after you. They don't after your well-being or your personality. They don't want to know how you are faring.